Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2008 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, center armrest, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, CD player, fog lights, tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.